Are you looking for a big screen TV that delivers stunning visuals and smart features without breaking the bank? Stick around as we dive deep into the Tcl Q6 75-inch, a powerhouse for your home entertainment setup. The Tcl Q6 stands out with its minimalist full-view 360 metal bezel-less design, giving you an immersive edge-to-edge viewing experience. Its ultra-slim profile, just 2.7 inches thick, blends seamlessly into any room, whether mounted on a wall or perched on a stand. For added flexibility, the width adjustment feet make it easy to accommodate various TV stands or furniture setups. This TV isn't just about aesthetics, it's designed to fit into your space effortlessly. Interested in this elegant design? Check the links in the description to learn more. When it comes to display quality, the Tcl Q6 doesn't disappoint. With a 4K Ultra HD resolution, the visuals are sharp and packed with detail. Its QLED panel, powered by quantum dot technology, produces vibrant, lifelike colors that cover nearly the entire DCI-P3 color space. Thanks to HDR Pro Plus, featuring Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus, you'll enjoy enhanced contrast and depth in your favorite movies and shows. Even in well-lit rooms, the High Brightness Plus LED backlight ensures your content looks stunning. Plus, with Motion Rate 240 and MEMC, fast-paced scenes stay smooth and crystal clear. If vibrant picture quality excites you, hit that subscribe button for more reviews like this. The Tcl Q6 delivers a well-rounded audio experience with its dual 15-watt speakers. Dolby Atmos brings cinematic, 3D sound to your living room, while DTS Virtual X enhances audio clarity, creating a more immersive experience. If dialogue clarity is a concern, the enhanced dialogue mode ensures every word is crisp and clear. For those moments when you don't want to disturb others, Bluetooth Personal Audio lets you pair your favorite headphones for private listening. What do you think of the audio features? Let us know in the comments below. Running on Google TV, the Tcl Q6 is packed with smart features that make finding and enjoying content easier than ever. The hands-free voice control and included voice remote let you search and navigate with just your voice. Built-in Chromecast and AirPlay 2 mean you can cast your favorite content straight from your phone. Compatibility with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit also ensures seamless integration into your smart home setup. Love smart features? Don't forget to like this video to support us. So, what are the pros and cons of choosing this TV? Cons: refresh rate. Native 60Hz panel not ideal for high frame rate gaming. Local dimming. No local dimming feature, which can impact contrast. HDMI ports. Equipped with HDMI 2.0 instead of HDMI 2.1. Pros: picture quality. Stunning 4K QLED visuals with HDR support. Smart features. Robust and intuitive smart TV capabilities. Design. Slim, bezel-less design with adjustable feet. Audio performance. Immersive sound with Dolby Atmos. Value for money. Competitive pricing for a feature-packed TV. At around $1,100, the Tcl Q6 75-inch offers a fantastic balance of advanced features, sleek design, and affordability. Whether you're a movie enthusiast, casual gamer, or just looking for a big screen to binge watch your favorite shows, this TV is worth considering. Check the links in the description for the best deals, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed reviews like this. See you in the next one.